Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I'm going to show you how to use AI chat assist on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Let's begin. First, we want to enable the chat assist itself, as I don't think it's enabled by default. And we can easily do that by going to settings, and in here we want to go to Galaxy AI. Note that you have to be logged in into your Samsung account in order to use it. And in here, you want to click Writing Assist. As you can see, it does have few options. I'm going to basically showcase you the last one, get suggested replies to text messages, and we'll try to write a moment with somebody. So let's simply enable it. And now our writing assist is enabled. And what a coincidence! Someone just wrote to us. So let's go into our Google Messages, and look at that, the Dragon Slayer has texted us. And as you can see here, we have different AI generated responses in which we can basically talk to him. So, for example, let's say sure. And now we can just, let's say we can just wait for a moment till the totally real Dragon Slayer will respond. And okay, he responded. What a coincidence once again. As you can see, if we have longer responses, we can just scroll between them. And let's go back to our little list of things. So let's say we can see that, let's try to get grammar and spelling suggestion. So in here, we can also just press this AI button, and now we can see, pretty much everything we need. Normally we wouldn't have this button, but since we enabled the chat assist, we have it right here. So let's say we can go to writing style, and we have to enter some text first. So let's input, I'm going to actually do a mistake on purpose. Let's meet at your... I'm going to do a mistake on purpose once again. At your place. At your place. Whenever. I'm going to mistake once again. You want. And you can do a little emoji here. I've actually missed the... Okay, here it is. So now we have this little response. We can go back to the AI button itself. And here we can, for example, check our spelling and grammar. And as you can see, it did detect all our mistakes that we've made on purpose. So all we have to do is simply click replace. And now it seems that we now know English well. Good, but let's try to go to our AI button once again, and let's check the writing style. As you can see, here is the original, and we have a bunch of different other. We have the professional. Please advise on your availability for a meeting at your earliest convenience. Casual, meet at your place, whenever works for you. I don't think it should be whatever, but okay. The social is... the hashtag social is... Okay, it's pretty cringe, I'm not going to even spell that. But yeah, we do have a big amount of options to choose from. We can also search for something specific. Let's go with casual. And all we have to do is just press replace, and now our text is replaced. We can easily send it, and I think that marks the end of the AI assist. Obviously, if we go back here, we can see that we have still many other functions, but as you can see, they work perfectly fine. We can also create a summary, we can also create we can organize the text automatically into bullet points, but that would just take a while for me to write and type in, and I don't want to waste your time. But yeah, that's how you enable and use AI chat assists on Galaxy S25 Plus. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.